Hi, Pop-Pop.
Hi, Pop-Pop. Watch this.
Oh my Lord! There's my car, Pop-Pop. Mom dug it out and then she got tired, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go show Pop-Pop what happened to our mailbox. Take a look. I snowblowered, and the snowblower did its thing. We got some drifting going on. Look, there's. Oh, here comes Rachel. There are the trees. Yeah, it's a little hard to get to our front steps. I hope the mailman doesn't have a package.
It was clear earlier.
What?
The snow drifted away.
Okay, there's. Oh man, you ought to see the drift on our roof.
Oh, wow.
It's a beaut, Clark. Okay, look, Pop, I want to show you this. I'm taking you down the street. Our neighbor obviously tried to shovel and quit. That's it. Rachel, stand next to that drift so you can see how big it is. I'm gonna pull back. Yeah, it's up to Rachel's stomach. Here is our. We think the plow hit our mailbox, Pop-Up. It's a little out of whack. Yeah, look at that.
I heard there was just a Fox News alert that they're holed up in the Congress voting on cap and trade right now, getting that through.
Because of the global warming problem?
It's a big problem.
Yeah, okay, look. There's a nice view of the front of our house. Hey, there's some brightness in the sky.
That would be the warming part.
I think there's a snowdrift on our front door. Can I zoom? Woo! Yeah. What? Yeah, we can get out.
We miss you, Papa.
Miss you.
Say goodbye.
Come on back.
Bye.
Bye.